What's up everyone, welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. Let's get into the video, which is fixing a part on the BMW, which I already fixed once, but then I broke it again. So if you check out my Instagram right here, I'll probably link it in the description also to the exact video, but I figured out a way to fix the A-pillars instead of buying new ones. If you want to buy some new ones, I'll probably leave some affiliate links down below with ECS Tuning. If you want to buy them brand new, click that link. Helps you out, helps me out, helps everyone out. This is the A-pillar from the driver's side. I already pulled this one off. I guess I'll say I rebroke it because I pulled the car in, then instead of starting the car and moving it again, I decided I want to push the car forward a little bit. And I kind of forgot, and I put my hand on the A-pillar and helped push the car forward and snapped the little tab off again. So that's where we are with that one. But we're going to try to fix this again the same way and then be smarter about it to not do it. That video, I also kind of refurbished them, I guess you would say. I don't even know, but I went on Amazon, I bought some fabric paint. I guess I'll try to overlay it or something, but as you see, the way they used to be were very purple from, I guess, just the sun beating down on them and fading the color, but get nice and black now. Let me get all this stuff ready and we'll explain how we're gonna fix these. All right, so in that Instagram reel, I said just grab a piece of plastic from your garage, and I really meant just like find a random piece of plastic you could use. So one of the pieces I found was this, and what this actually is, I don't even think I could find the piece anymore. So what this actually was like a piece of like a little holder for a bunch of razors. There you go, this is the 5-pack. I had one that was open already, and it was actually just pieces of the plastic, and I just cut this up into a shape that's gonna fit into the piece in the car. That's what I mean by plastic. My other idea of something that I might use if this doesn't work, going back, this was a piece of plastic off like I think it was the cover of like a carpet stretcher, if you ever seen one of those tools. Piece of that. Don't know where this is from, but another piece of plastic. I think something in the engine bay on the BMW, but piece of plastic you're just gonna cut up into the shape. You could probably even use a squeegee for, I don't know if this one's for applying some vinyl wrap or whatnot, but something like this. Just grab yourself a piece of plastic. You're gonna melt it back together. So what we're gonna do with that is we got our soldering iron. We got it warming up. This is the tab. There's 3 of them on here. I'm probably only gonna go back with one once again because the piece of plastic from this is still broken off in the car, and they're kind of annoying to get out, to be completely honest with you. But you see this little piece right there? We're gonna take the piece that we cut and we're just gonna melt it back together. So, as you see, it's actually pretty firm, and that should be good enough. Do that in a well-ventilated area because that smoke does not feel good. If there was more space to mess around with, because it's kind of in a bad spot to really do anything with, what you would do is get a very, I guess, thin piece of metal, like almost like a wire or something, get that really hot, and try to stick that into the joint to just give it a little more rigidity, because just melting the plastic together is good, but it's not strong. I'm gonna try to snap this back into the car, hopefully not break it, and just be a little more careful next time. So obviously when you're putting these things back, you want to be careful. Just try to like get a visual on where the little tab is, where it needs to be pressed into, and just press it in. Don't go too crazy with it because, like I said, it's not crazy strong of a joint, but you could get it stronger if you put a little more effort into it. We're going low effort here. Now we did that one, just gonna do the passenger side and we're done. So I just gotta probably find a little bit more, probably a couple more pieces of plastic for the passenger side one, because that one's a little worse off than the side, but pretty damn cool. Now it should also go without saying, you just want to be careful with the interior pieces of your E36, because apparently whatever they made them out of, they just fall apart by themselves without even you touching them. I'm actually going to start looking into a way to refurbish the glove box without having to buy a new one, because the panel's starting to come apart. See, the glove box is seen better days. this car, I'm trying to do it a little bit different than previous ones, because previous cars and projects, I would just buy the new thing of it, so it's 100%. This one I'm just trying to like refurbish what's there, keep the cost low, so we don't spend too much money on these things, because that gets very easy to do. Number 2 done. This one doesn't look as good because I had to build it up more plastic because that was broken off a little bit more. But we snap this back in and then we're done. So as you see, pretty simple. All you need is a little soldering iron and just random pieces of plastic around your garage. You'll be able to fix it. Well, I guess it doesn't even have to be plastic from your garage. It could be from the house. And all you got to worry about is it just being a certain thickness, like a plastic bottle, like a 2-liter Coke bottle or something like that isn't going to work because it's not thick enough. I mean, maybe if you use the top, that's the piece that screws on, but you got to sand it down a little bit. But you'll find the right piece. You'll see the little spot that it's got to get connected into, and you'll figure it out. Pretty damn simple. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, hope I earned that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave some comments down below if you have any questions about the process. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you use those affiliate links if you want to buy anything, because it helps me out, helps you out, helps everyone out. Peace out.